Hey folks, it's Jerry from York River Cannabis, and today we're just going to do a quick update video. So the other day we uploaded a video about how to plant your seeds, and then a few days before that we did how to start your seeds. Not very confident in that batch, so we're going to go over a few mistakes that I will correct in the future. And again, this is all experimental, so bear with me on some of this stuff. But that's why we have, twice the amount of seeds for our, plants that we want to grow. We want 50. We've got over 100 seeds, so we're not going to be afraid to make mistakes. And I highly suggest, if you're going to do some hemp growing, that you get twice the amount of seeds that you need. And with clones, it could be a little different. But so here's the first batch. So we've got a total of about, I think 16 plants that came out. We got ones that are this big all the way to guys that are growing their fourth and fifth leaf. So and then the other day we started another 20 and we have 0 popped, but that's okay. It's only been a couple days. I won't give up on them yet, but I have a feeling that we made some critical mistakes. The first critical mistake, I don't think the Miracle Grow is going to help anything in this stage. So scratch the Miracle Grow. Just use tap water. I think that caused some sort of delay in the germination, or once the seeds cracked, it caused an issue with growing a good root. And I'll show you why. So yesterday we got another seed delivery, and this is a totally different genetics from a totally different company. And this strain is T1, or Trump for some people who call it that. This is about 30 hours after they put them in the paper towel. Look at that. 30 hours. So that's just 30 hours, and we have roots on 50% of them. So, and that's just tap water, which is what we used for the first batch. So I'm going to say, don't use the Miracle Grow to germinate your seeds. It's just not going to help. Now, as far as watering them down the road, I'm sure it does help. But these guys are pretty resilient. I didn't use any Miracle Grow in these. I threw some extra little potting soil, but this is mostly 100% vermiculite. And they're doing just fine. We don't have any results for the potting soil. So I think for now, I'm going to go back to the vermiculite for these T1s. And I have some other ones from another genetics. And these are CB, so Cherry Blossom. And I started these yesterday afternoon. I haven't even looked at them yet. So nothing yet. That one over there looks like it might crack by to the end of today. And so here's the mistakes, and I'll list them off. Number 1, don't use Miracle Grow to germinate your seeds. Number 2, don't overwater, but don't underwater either. I feel like spraying them wasn't enough. And then I've watched some other videos, and I've done some more research. It could be better to kind of drench the soil a little bit before seed germination, put the seed in, and then put a little bit more on top. So instead of just putting your cup and then putting the seed in, once you put the seed in, put a little bit over the top of it. So keep a little bit extra soil in that bowl and just sprinkle a little top over. Seems to be the way of some people who do it. So this batch with T1, I'm going to demonstrate how to do that. I don't think I'll get a video out until next week. I'll be traveling up to Vermont to visit another cannabis farm to get some tips and ideas, and if I can do a video from there, I will. But I can probably bring back some ideas for my next video. Anyway, thanks for watching. We're working on getting better video quality, and we're working on making better videos. So thank you for bearing with us if you're watching this. Also, follow us on Instagram at York River Cannabis. We do updates every day. And also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.